Hello to all WVU students. Now, many of you don't know about the vast array of resources that are available to us as students. In my case, I simply do not have the time to explore them and figure out all the nitty-gritty details. Let me help you discover a tool that you can use, maybe for an assignment in classes or as a pastime when you're stressed out of your mind. Have you heard of Libby? It's an app you can download that gives you access to online books and audiobooks your university offers through WVU Library. With your student credentials, it's free to you. Granted, it might not have all the books that you could imagine, but it can be a good resource if you want to listen to audiobooks. And I have to say, the quality is superb and it's completely free. Simply download the app through App Store or Google Play. Inside the app, when you open the app, it will prompt you, do you have a library card? Say yes. Then it will take you to the page, and you will simply have to click Search for Library. Then search for West Virginia University and click on the first option, Morgantown Campus. Then sign in with your card. Click Next. Then you will get a prompt and simply say Continue. This will take you to your WVU credential page. Simply sign in like you do to any other WVU page with your student credentials. If this process does not work, try it again a second time. It simply needs a bit of time to verify things. Now it should show you your library card. Now you are able to listen to any audiobook of your desire as long as it's available in your library. You get up to 3 loans and 5 holds, but I feel like that's more than enough. Let's get into exploring the app now. If you go to the magnifying glass, you can search any book of your liking. Click on the 3 lines and it will give you the genres. According to my app, there's 1,657 titles that you can choose from. I'm picking fantasy. Then click Show Titles. It gave me 159 results, and I clicked on Black Coast. It gives me a summary of all the book contains, and you can also read a sample of the book, which is usually the first chapter or the first 10 minutes of the book. To borrow the book, simply click on the card with the plus and click on the prompt. Then click Borrow. Now you have an audiobook you can read, and it's usually due after 14 days, but you can always renew it, no limits. This app has so many different capabilities that I don't really have the time to explain, but it's a fun resource to explore in your downtime. It for sure helped me ease some of my anxiety. Hope you enjoy this new tool and hope it becomes an excellent resource in the future.